How to get your PayPal money off hold. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Method 1. Confirm the receipt. The first way to get your PayPal money off hold is to ask the sender to confirm they have received the item or service. Ask the person who sent you the money to open their PayPal account. Have them click on the specific transactions. Once the transaction page loads, they should see a button labeled Confirm Receipt. After clicking this button, the funds will be released into your PayPal account immediately. You can share this video with the sender so that they can follow along easily as well. Method 2. You need to wait for the whole period to expire. If the sender cannot or does not confirm receipt, you will need to wait. PayPal holds funds for a maximum of 21 days. In some cases, the hold may be released earlier, especially if PayPal confirms that there are no issues with the transactions. After 21 days, the funds will automatically be released to your account if no disputes or refunds occur. So in this particular way, you can easily get your PayPal money off hold. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.